Little girl still.
Wow. Good girl. Okay, puppy. Pinky. Pinky girl. Oh, we're so happy. We're so happy. Yeah, temperament. I love it.
Yeah.
The back legs move a little bit better than the front legs.
Yep. Yeah, if I would have fought Red Back Boy the most, it would be with his rear. But it isn't terrible.
No, it is.